Altro's value-added services offering is meant to bring customers efficiencies for how they install Altro floors. At the end of the day, it's all about making sure floors are installed as quickly and as reliably as possible, saving time, money, resource, and ultimately reducing the carbon footprint involved with installing Altro floors.
So the self-adhesive Altro can offer multiple different advantages when installing in any vehicle. It can speed up the process, so you haven't got to trial out adhesive all over the vehicles. It also takes away the chemicals that you use when using the traditional stick-down system.
So self-adhesive enables a quicker installation, a faster installation, and that ultimately means the overall assembly of the vehicle can be quicker. It frees up resource to focus on other areas of your vehicle, and that ultimately represents time and money. So the pre-cut flooring process minimizes the amount of scrap that is generated, and then we handle all scrap in a responsible way through the various different recycling schemes that we have running at Altro. So typically using a technical drawing as the basis, we're able to use an automated system that cuts the flooring into the exact shape you want it to be.
It removes any human error when measuring and cutting off full rolls of material. Also helps and assists with any difficult or complex patterns when installing these on vehicles. So our reverse weld surface offers fantastic results for both installers and for the end user. It removes the time and actual process of a standard top surface weld, and it also simultaneously gives a high quality, easily cleanable and professional finish for the end user as well. Flooring patterns can look consistent without the break in the pattern that a standard or traditional surface weld will offer.
Well, Altro's laminated logos allow you to introduce floor signage in a way that is impervious and watertight and protects the subfloor of your vehicle, and it's delivered to you in a tile format that is simple to install. Ultimately, value-added services are about understanding our customers' needs and understanding their processes of installing our floors, and making sure that we can deliver to them not just a roll of material, but can give them an opportunity to save time and save resource and achieve a better quality installation to their vehicles.
Everything is on a time schedule. When they're building any vehicle, it's on a line, it's got to be done at this time. So just the time saving is just such a massive key element for it.